I'm gonna share with you the laziest way you can get to $10,000 or more per month like clockwork, even if you're brand new, even if you have no social media following, and even if you have no technical ability. Now you can see on the screen right here that these results are of people from around the world that are using this simple and easy strategy to leverage a business model called digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is amazing. It's basically where you can just promote products online from a Wi-Fi connection, and anytime someone buys those products through you, you get to earn money into your bank account. Now, I'm gonna share with you exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch in my first 7 days and I wanted to make money as fast and as easy as possible. Now, before I dive into the very first step, there's gonna actually be a link directly below. When you go to that link, you're gonna discover how you can access all of the resources I talk about in this video and get them done for you so you can implement this in as little as your first 48 hours after watching the end of this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it right now. So a lot of people don't know this, but I used to be a waiter and I was slaving away on my feet all day and I was desperately looking for ways to make money. Now, I am a very lazy person. I don't like working hard. I don't like grinding. I love the digital nomad idea, the idea that I can literally be relaxing on the beach, sinking my toes in the soft, warm sand. I hear a ding on my phone. I look down and I see, congratulations, you just made another sale and money was deposited and I don't even know where it came from. If that's you, you want to keep watching because I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this. So the very first thing is we're going to be promoting products online. Now, don't worry, you don't have to create these products yourself. What you want to do is you want to leverage something called MRR, or Master Resell Right products. These are products where you literally can just purchase them, and it also gives you the rights to resell these products as your own. If you're watching this and you want to make the most amount of money and even get paid instantly into a PayPal, a Cash App, or a Stripe, then you want to pay close attention and you want to resell other people's products. The reason you want to use this is because you can actually keep 100% profit. If you do something like network marketing or affiliate marketing or like drop shipping, typically you have to pay a large percent of that money that you made to the product creator or to the upline or sponsor if you do another business model. But with resell rights, when you make a sale, you get to keep 100% profit and you get paid instantly. So now you may be wondering, well, how do we actually sell? You know, I'm personally not really that good at selling. Now, the next thing you may be thinking is, how exactly are we going to sell these products? Like, am I going to have to get on the phone and talk to people? Am I going to have to bother my friends and family? I want to share with you a little secret. I'm incredibly introverted. Okay, I don't have a lot of energy. I don't like talking to a lot of people that I don't know. So I found this simple and easy strategy where you can actually promote these products without bothering anyone, without getting on the phone, without having any conversations. You can literally attract people to you that are already interested in buying these products. It's something called attraction marketing. It's where you can literally just post advertisements or content on social media where people already are, and you can literally start to attract people interested in buying to you. So the way this works is basically there are certain websites online where you can post advertisements for free. Now, on those websites, it has millions of visitors that are already interested in certain products that you want to promote. And what happens is when we go to those websites, all we do is copy and paste advertisements on there. And out of all the visitors that are on that website, the ones that resonate, the ones that want to learn more are going to actually respond to our ads. So they may comment, they may message us saying, hey, I saw your ad, I'm interested, how does this work? Now, the second strategy I recommend is actually posting content on social media. So you can go to sites like Facebook or sites like TikTok, and you can post a video or a photo or a piece of text on those sites for free, and whoever is following you or whoever you're friends with can actually see that content. And again, if they're interested in learning more, they'll comment or they'll message you privately. And then all you have to do is actually send them the link to the product. Now, stick with me though, because I want to share with you one secret strategy to 10x the amount of profit you actually make, and do it on total autopilot so you can even make money while you're sleeping. So as we have those products that are 100% profit, and as we start going out there and promoting those products through different free advertisements and social media content, the next thing we want to do is we want to send those people to something that's going to follow up with those people for us. We're not going to, again, get on the phone with anyone. We're not going to have to do Zoom meetings and try to convert sales. I'm going to teach you how to literally put down the phone and pick up the paycheck. I'm going to teach you how you can stop robbing Peter to pay Paul if you're in that situation, and how you can literally achieve freedom and just be able to do the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with, while money is still like clockwork flowing into your bank account. Now, the way we want to do this is, rather than sending people interested in these products directly to a page to buy, we instead want to send them to a sales funnel. The reason is most people are not going to buy right away. If you're watching this video, chances are if you saw a product online, you may not take immediate action. You may not not decide to buy right away. You may have to research. You may have to look at reviews on YouTube. You may have to talk to your spouse or friend before you finally make that decision to get started. So that's how most people are. Instead of sending people right to a page to buy, we're going to send them to a page that's going to capture their email address. And then what we can do is literally have automatic follow-up emails sending out to those email addresses, following up with people, and then inside of the email we have links getting people back to the website to decide to buy. It's been estimated online it can take about 7 to 12 exposures of a product for someone to finally buy it. So rather than doing the tedious manual work of keeping track of who to follow up with, because the fortune is in the follow-up, instead we want to capture these people's email addresses and have an automatic system in place that will start following up with all of them, sending pre-written emails, getting people back to the website so when they're ready to buy, they can do it even while we're sleeping. This is how literally I'm able to wake up to $900 made in my bank account, not even knowing who bought from me, while I'm relaxing on the beach, because this process is working. So again, if you're watching this and this is making sense, I want to encourage you, click the link below, put your best email into my website, and you're going to get access to more information on exactly how you can plug into a digital marketing blueprint that's going to give you all the products to sell, the done for you high converting sales funnel, and even training on exactly how to post ads and content to get endless visitors going to your capture page. Last but not least, if you got value, my friend, be sure to like this. That's actually going to tell me you want me to make more videos just like this. I'm going to go even deeper in future videos on exactly how to start posting these ads and getting more people interested. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that, as well as subscribe so you're notified of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. And this by far is the laziest way, because like I said, you can really do this anywhere in about an hour a day from a smartphone. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.